Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got something super exciting to talk about. The 2025 Kawasaki KX 450. Whether you're a motocross enthusiast, a casual rider, or someone who's simply passionate about bikes, and more tips going to want to hear about this one. Let's dive right into it. The 2025 X450 is packed with cutting-edge tech and upgrades that make it one of the most exciting bikes to hit the market in years. First off, Kawasaki's engineers have focused on improving the bike's overall performance in handling, which is crucial for both pro riders and amateurs who just want to enjoy a smooth ride. One of the standout features of this new KX 450 is the updated engine. The 449cc four-stroke engine has been refined for even better power delivery and throttle response. This new engine setup delivers more power across the rev range, giving you that instant throttle response when you need it most. But it's not just about launching out of a corner. The suspension has also received a major upgrade. Kawasaki has worked closely with Showa to fine-tune the suspension for a more controlled and smoother ride, especially when tackling rough tracks. The fully adjustable Showa suspension ensures that you can dial in the perfect settings for your riding style. The chassis has been reworked as well, with a focus on reducing weight and increasing rigidity. This means improved stability and agility, which is key when you're racing or riding aggressively. Whether you're going over jumps or cornering at high speeds, the new KX 450 gives you the confidence to push your limits. And let's not forget about the electronics. Kawasaki has introduced a new launch control system and updated mapping to help with traction and overall power management. These features are especially useful in muddy or slippery conditions where maintaining control is critical. Now, let's talk design. The 2025 KX 450 has a sleek, aggressive look with sharp graphics and a modern color scheme that really makes it stand out. The bike has a new seat design that's both comfortable and offers better grip for the rider. Plus, the handlebars are designed for improved ergonomics, making it easier to maintain a comfortable riding position for those long rides. So is the 2025 KX 450 worth the hype? Absolutely. With its enhanced power, improved suspension, and new tech features, this bike is ready to take your riding experience to the next level. Whether you're racing or just hitting the trails, it's built to perform. That's all for today, folks. Make sure to hit that like button if you enjoyed this breakdown of the 2025 KX 450, and don't forget to subscribe for more bike reviews and moto content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.